hotel that we're staying at, the BB Hotel, right in front of the Sapa Center. Yeah.
The BB Hotel is a French colonial style hotel blended with traditional Vietnamese elements. This reflects the historical influence of the French in Sapa, who developed the area as a hill station and built many villas and hotels in the early 20th century. It is centrally located in the heart of Sapa town, near landmarks like Sapa Square and Sapa Catholic Church or Stone Church, allowing guests to easy access to the town lifestyle and natural beauties. BB Hotel is a 4-star hotel. It offers a modern amenities and aims to provide an all-in-one service for tourists, including restaurants, a spa, and the various room categories. Sapa itself has a rich history of tourism, dating back to the early 20th century when the French discovered its scenic beauty and cool climate, establishing it as a resort town. The historical development has laid the groundwork to the many hotels and resorts that exist in Sapa today, including the BB Hotel.
This is our room, 414. Check it out. Oh, you got her first.
Welcome to BB Hotel.
BB Hotel. It's our room. 1 king bed. We have fridge there. Kettle. Got a snack. Shower. See the shampoo, conditioner. Toilet. Yan, ganda yan. See? I have glass. Safety deposit box. You get a robe if you wanna use it.
Window, sa Sapa.
Yeah. We're in the Sapa Center. So window, you can see on. That's the Sapa Center, the area. Yeah, on the left side is Sapa Station, where you can go to Fansipan Summit. I think that's about it. Okay. Ano, view from our room. Fansipan, Sapa Station. We're gonna have a breakfast here in BB Hotel. It's including in the cost of the staying here. You can check. This one here is a steamed dumpling. Wow. And this one is roll cake. Steamed meat, shrimp. corns, boiled eggs, and they have some sausages, bacon, pork sausage, and there's a guy here. If you want noodles or soup, he can prepare it for you. If you want boiled rice, there's or steamed rice, noodles, and there's another one here. I don't know what they call it. Tofu with tomato sauce, and this one is porridge, minced pork. You got grilled chicken with mushroom sauce, stir-fried chicken, sausage vegetable, and mayonnaise fried pork balls. If you want some cereal, you can get it from here. See, the cocoa popcorn, mostly cereal, corn flakes, and a yogurt or drinks. They have like passion fruit, apple juice, orange juice, fresh milk, or mineral water. This one, a cold dish too. There's ham, garlic sauce, bread, sweet one, or white toast. And some more here. It's fruit, dragon fruits, watermelon. Yeah. You want salad? There's some more here. Diba ang ganda? Very nice. Ito pala our breakfast today. It's my breakfast today. Sausage, vegetable, steamed rice, and I got shomai, coffee, fried egg with panik po tayo. We're going to Sky Lunch of BB Hotel. We're gonna have dinner upstairs. Okay, high floor. High floor. Yeah. Alright, we're in the Sky Lounge now.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Outside. Outside there.
Buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.
And that building in front of me, that's the Sapa station.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.